Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use variable layer height in Creality Print. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing is that you will need to import your 3D model onto the build plate. So then click on this model to select it like that. So you can see these white lines around him. Now look at the top horizontal toolbar above the build plate view and click the variable layer height icon. It looks like a small square filled with series of tight horizontal lines. So select this one right here. So this one right here, select it. Now your 3D model on the screen will instantly change to a solid gray color if it's not already, and a detailed vertical layer height bar will appear on the far right side of the window. So right here you see something. Now what we can do, as you can see, if I drag this, how every changes this. So I can do it like so. Now for most organic or curved models, the automatic calculation works beautifully. So what we can do here is simply, as you can see, we can do something like that. Yeah. Now what you can do is just simply fine tune also right here. So we have here quality, speed. So if you want finer, more detailed steps, or to the right towards speed for faster printing. Then what else we have? We have smooth. So you can know that because the automatic mode can sometimes create sudden jumps between layer thickness, locate the smooth button in that same adjustment like you see right here. It will also help. This will soften the boundaries between the green and red sections. And yeah, you can also enable minimum floor height constant and enable overhang optimization. And this is pretty much it, that what you can do. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next